Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on using blockchain for decentralized finance, or DeFi. In the world of finance, intermediaries have traditionally played a key role. However, DeFi is changing the landscape by removing these middlemen and allowing peer-to-peer transactions via smart contracts on blockchains. Today, we'll explore how these powerful technologies work together. Let's start with a brief overview of what blockchain is. At its core, a blockchain is a decentralized ledger that records transactions across many computers in a way that the registered information cannot be altered retroactively. This increases transparency, security, and trust. Now, let's discuss the foundational element of DeFi, smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. They run on blockchain networks like Ethereum, which is the most widely used blockchain for DeFi applications. To understand how smart contracts work, let's write a simple example in Solidity, the programming language for Ethereum smart contracts. We will create a contract that allows users to save funds. In this simple savings contract, we have a mapping to track each user's savings, a deposit function that allows users to add funds, and a withdraw function that enables users to take their money out. The payable keyword is essential because it allows the function to receive Ether. Next, we'll learn how to deploy this contract using Truffle. Now that we've successfully deployed our smart contract, it's time to connect our application frontend to it. For this purpose, let's use React along with the ethers.js library, which provides an easy way to interact with Ethereum. Here, we have a functional React component for our savings application. This component checks if the user's wallet is connected and requests wallet access through MetaMask, a popular crypto wallet. Next, you should include functions to deposit and withdraw funds utilizing the contract methods we defined earlier. We now have a basic front end where users can connect their wallets. The next key aspect of DeFi is the use of liquidity pools, which allow users to provide tokens and earn interest on them. Let's explore how a liquidity pool works. In this component, we accept an amount of tokens to add to our liquidity pool and interact with the smart contract accordingly. Additionally, we need to manage and track liquidity, which involves more complex state management and interactions with smart contracts. One of the most attractive features of DeFi is yield farming, where users can lock their funds in liquidity pools for a return. Let's dive into implementing yield farming in our DeFi application. In this example, stackers can deposit their tokens and earn yield. This is implemented in the smart contract by maintaining the state of staked tokens and calculating yield based on some predetermined logic, e.g., time held, total amount staked, etc. As we delve deeper into DeFi, another major concept is decentralized exchanges, or DEXs. These platforms enable users to trade cryptocurrencies without a central authority. Uniswap is a prime example of a DEX that facilitates automated trading of Ethereum tokens. To facilitate trades in your DEX, you need to create functions that manage swap operations. Here's how you can implement a basic swap function in your smart contract. The functions allow users to swap various tokens, depending on liquidity and current prices. Keep in mind that you'll need to implement security measures like slippage control and reentrancy guards to protect users' funds. We are making great progress. Now, let's talk about user interface design. When building a DeFi application, users should be able to view their balances, manage their investments, and easily perform trades. Let's create a dashboard component. This dashboard retrieves the user's balance from the blockchain and displays it. Additionally, think about adding charts and graphs that provide visual insights into the user's DeFi activities. Now, let's transition to the crucial topic of security in DeFi applications. The decentralized nature of DeFi often attracts bad actors, so it's paramount to secure your smart contracts against common vulnerabilities. Finally, we can't forget about audits. Before deploying your DeFi application to mainnet, conduct thorough audits of your code, preferably with smart contract security firms that specialize in identifying vulnerabilities. As we wrap up, remember that building a DeFi application is an iterative process. The DeFi landscape is rapidly evolving, so stay updated with the latest trends, technology, and security practices. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on using blockchain for decentralized finance. If you enjoyed this session, please like, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments. Together, let's explore the world of blockchain and DeFi,